Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In tonight's video, we're going to discuss the current market conditions. The pullback is here, ladies and gentlemen. The pullback, I repeat, is here. So we have a jam-packed video for you tonight, guys. Before we get into it, just to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing in a stock. Also, if you find value in tonight's video, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So guys, let's dive right on into it. All right, guys, so we're taking a look at the S&P 500, which took a major hit. And good thing is we are in undervalued territory. So we know that, on the RSI, whenever we get to undervalued territory, typically we will see a change in direction and some upward momentum. The problem is we don't know when exactly that's going to happen. We could see, in my opinion, some more downside to come down and test this support level down here of $3,995, or really, guys, we're right at the point pretty much between now and $4,022. This is pretty crucial. If we come down here and bounce up and off of that, that's a good sign. If we fall below, then that'll kind of get a little scary, gut wrenching. But I think overall that we're going to come down here a little bit lower and kind of stall here and then start pushing our way back up. Not sure if we'll come up and fall back down again or what's going to happen, but just kind of be cautious out there and be patient, just because keep in mind we're due for a pullback. We had been overvalued for so long, and we just going to kind of trading sideways and sideways, and we hit all-time highs again. And just like any other stock, guys, when you hit an all-time high on anything, you always see some type of sell-off eventually, okay? And here we go. Here's our sell-off. So you can use it as a buying opportunity. Do with it what you will. Currently, myself, I've been buying dips and stuff for the past couple of months, and in result, my portfolio took a hit today, but it's not as bad as it would have been if I hadn't bought anything on those dips. So I will have to just kind of wait it out and see what happens. But we're going to go over a couple of announcements and articles on our stocks, such as GNOG, ZNOG, IDEX, and Tesla. Okay, so we're going to start off with GNOG, GNOG. Golden Nugget Online Gaming to hold first quarter 2021 earnings conference call on May 17th, 2021. So before I read this and break the charts down, IDEX is actually the same day as GNOG on the 17th. Okay, just kind of throwing that out there. It says Golden Nugget Online Gaming today announced it will release its financial results for the first quarter of 2021 after the market closed on May 17th. The company will hold a conference call to discuss its results on the same day, beginning at 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. To access the conference call, you can dial into this number here, and here's your conference ID 3395274. So it says the conference call will also be webcast live through the company's investor relations website at gnoginc.com. So, I sure hope they give us some type of good news, because man, this thing is getting beat like it stole something. I never thought it was going to come down to $10 again, and right now currently at like $10.75 or something like that. So I'm hoping we can turn this thing around and pop back up to $14-15 to make my stomach feel a little bit better after watching it the last couple of days. So let's get into another article, one of our other stocks, and then we're going to break down the charts individually on each of these plays. Okay, next up is Tesla, guys. Elon Musk says Tesla will stop accepting Bitcoin for car purchases, citing environmental concerns. Okay, so come down here. It says CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, said Wednesday on Twitter that Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin out of a concern over rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining. The price of Bitcoin dropped about 5% in the first 5 minutes after Musk announced this news. In an SEC filing in February, Tesla revealed that it bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, and it may invest in more of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies in the future. At the time, the company said it would start accepting Bitcoin as a payment method for its products. Support for cryptocurrency from Tesla contributed to the prices of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Dogecoin, skyrocketing in recent months. And now you've probably seen a lot of cryptocurrencies tank today. I know that a couple of them fell pretty hard after he announced this. So um, that's crazy. So we'll see what happens over the next couple of days. And guys, and last one, and certainly not least, Zion Oil and Gas. Okay, we got this email today, this update. It says, Dear Zion supporters and shareholders, Zion's drill site operations continue safely into our third section. Zion Oil and Gas is continuing our safety and security protocols on location and in communication with our subcontractors and suppliers. Our site is in a remote region of Israel. We continue to work closely with our local communities and our long-term security contractor regarding any modifications to the current protocols. We are not forecasting any hindrances to our operation pertaining to the security situation in Israel. We do ask for prayers for those who are being adversely affected in Israel. So that's some good news. They're not being affected by all the stuff going on in Israel. So let's go ahead, guys, and take a look at each of these stocks on the charts, see what they're telling us, and go from there. All right, guys, first one up, GNOG, ticker symbol GNOG. Currently, guys, we're trading after hours at about 1070-ish. Okay, we're undervalued, just like most of everything else currently right now is probably. But man, we've been on a steady decline ever since last week. We busted through and broke that support level of 1357, which I did not think that we were going to do. So now we're keeping that $9.62 as support. Okay, 9.62. So now that 13.57 is going to act as resistance. 14.60, we got to get there and hold above in order to confirm a reversal and uptrend. IDEX, guys, we have earnings on IDEX as well on the 17th, and that'll be at about 3:30 as well. So after market close, the same time as GNOG. We did get a sell signal here, and currently support of 240, resistance of 303. Need to get above 278 and hold to confirm that we do have a reversal and another move to the upside to go into an uptrend. Okay, Tesla has actually just recently broken its support level of 598. So we got as low as about 578. We're undervalued here for Tesla, of course. And your next level of support is 510. Not sure if it'll get there or not. I may go a little bit lower, but I see it probably busting back above 600 maybe tomorrow or Friday. So currently right now 598 is going to be your resistance level, and we got to get above 683 and hold to confirm a reversal and move back to the upside. That's a little ways to go, but if it falls down further to that 500 level, I think that's where we probably bottom out, and that would make some good buying opportunities for us there. ZNOG, guys, we are still just kind of hanging around here. So we're at 61 cents. We closed for the day. We did have our little pullback. Good thing is we're not aggressively pulling back. We did come down all the way in the 50s, but we popped right back up. So I'm really hoping that we can get some move to the upside from here. Like if we come a little bit further down, maybe we can shoot back up. Resistance is still at about 74 cents, support at 47. Need to get above about 70 cents and hold in order to confirm that we are now in an uptrend. Okay, like overall uptrend. Currently, we're at about a fair value assessment on the RSI. The MACD is still in a bearish pattern, but I can see that hopefully transitioning and moving on, back into a bullish pattern fairly soon. Okay, guys, and this is the stock I talked about yesterday that I said that may pull back, the one that ran up so much, like 400 something percent. It dropped all the way back down, and we hadn't even fully switched over from a bullish to a bearish pattern. So if you're in KPay, and if you got in here and you didn't sell here, then I would definitely recommend taking your profits and moving on. If you haven't gotten in, I would wait if you're looking to get in, because I think they're going to see some more moves to the downside on it. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.